We are back with Crazy Aunt Lindsey. And Drew, I'm told we need it to cool down. Cool down this thing. We're trying to make instant ice.
Yes.
And you're a bit nervous that it might be too warm with the TV lights.
I'm a little nervous because it's a little warm in the studio today. It's not usually this warm, but we're doing something called making instant ice. Yes. So I'm going to pull out a bottle of water and hope that it works. Okay, so if you look at this, it's just a normal bottle of water.
It's just a chilled,
But,
how cold is it, Rod? Feel it.
But if I tap it, you can begin to see, oh, it is a little too warm. Uh-oh, let me see if I have another
Not a room temperature bottle of water.
Not a room temperature.
It's coming out of an ice chest.
I just pulled this out of the freezer, so let's see if it's gonna work.
She taps it. We're looking. What's supposed to be happening? What are you looking for?
So it's supposed to crystallize. So what's happening is that water, as we all know, freezes at 32 degrees, right? Or 0 degrees Celsius. And so what happens is sometimes water will stay in its monastic state, which means it hasn't frozen. Scientists are completely confused as to why that it happens.
Forecasters in general. Continue.
and interestingly, if you go up to Mount Hood, it's full of snow right now. It's super cold. Some people have reported leaving a bottle of water in their car, coming back into the car and tossing it over into the next seat and it completely freezing just instantly. That's because the water was super cooled and the gestation triggered, or excuse me, I'm going to forget the word. I'm going to forget the word.
But fortunately, the experiment's working, so that's the bottom line.
It triggered the crystallization process. So ice crystals like to form on top of each other. It's much easier for them. I have another thing that might work.
Can I point out something?
I've got something really delicious. Hold on one second. We've got a cold bowl, and we have
cherry vanilla cream soda.
Looks like
I'm going to open it.
This isn't going to fizz, is it?
Very quickly.
Drew?
Very slowly.
Okay,
and
no
then
fizz.
I'm going to see what, let's see. We're going to pour the cold, and it should, it's way too hot in the, man.
It's just too
guys,
what's
so sometimes science and TV magic just don't come together. Oh yeah, it froze up. That's awesome. It poured in liquid.
Now, can we see that on the camera? I don't know.
Now it is completely slush. Let me see if I can do it one more time.
But you saw it start to crystallize or get a little chunky.
I'm going to do it one more time.
Okay.
With this bottle. Let me put this here because it might be cold.
Now, instant ice, this concept, it confused me from the beginning because I find that in my freezer, typically, if I just put water in there, it only takes about 10 minutes for it to actually turn to ice. So this is for people who don't have the 10 minutes.
This is for people that don't have the 10 minutes. Exactly. Okay, I'm going to take the liquid.
Yes.
I'm going to pour it in.
Yes.
We're watching you.
Yes.
All right, here it goes.
Unfortunately, Rod, you and I are closer to this experiment than any of the cameras currently in our studio.
Well, it looks like it's trying to...
Yeah, the slush happens. It's just too warm in here, guys.
Okay.
Such a bummer. But normally this project super works. If you would like some instructions on how to make this work in your own house and then tell me if it worked for you, just check out my winter science projects playlist on YouTube/Crazy Aunt Lindsey. There will be plenty of examples of this project working in real time. I don't know if you can see this. It's kind of slushing.
Okay.
But it's super
Lindsey,
fun. And it's delicious.
I don't think you're any crazier based on the outcome of this experiment today. I don't think you're any crazier.
Darn. I did not live up to my name.
Ashley, Kathy,
hey,
what are you working on there?
I totally understand it, Lindsay. It's all the hot air over there. That is right on true. I had the pleasure of making it back quickly from the holiday home tour to talk about another great holiday tradition. This one